reverse mortgages took advantage of any American senior. Or
Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for western Arapahoe County, southwestern Denver County, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported flash flooding and torrential rain in the southeast sections of the Denver metro area. The storms producing the rain were moving slowly to the north and northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in the Aurora area, and similar amounts can be expected in 30 to 40 minutes as the storm moves in. Some locations that will experience flooding include Denver, Aurora, northeastern Lakewood, Centennial, northeastern Littleton, Englewood, southeastern Wheat Ridge, Greenwood Village, Sheridan, Arapahoe Park, and Buckley Air Force Base. This expands and supersedes the previous warning that was in effect for western Arapahoe County only. Precautionary preparedness actions. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Good. So give me that.